Sending money from Pakistan to South Korea is a relatively straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, you will need to choose a suitable money transfer method, such as a bank transfer, online money transfer service, or a currency exchange company. First, gather the necessary information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details in South Korea. You will also need to provide your own identification and proof of address to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Next, select a money transfer service that operates in both Pakistan and South Korea, such as Western Union, MoneyGram, or Z Money Transfer. Compare the fees and exchange rates offered by different providers to find the best option for your needs. Once you have chosen a service, you can initiate the transfer by visiting the provider's website, mobile app, or a physical branch in Pakistan. You will need to create an account, provide the required documentation, and enter the recipient's details. After completing the transfer, you will be given a reference number or tracking code to monitor the status of the transaction. The recipient can then collect the funds from a designated bank or cash pickup location in South Korea, or have them deposited directly into their bank account. It is essential to note that different money transfer services have varying processing times, fees, and exchange rates. Additionally, some services may offer additional features, such as cash pickup or home delivery, which can be convenient for the recipient. To ensure a smooth and secure transaction, make sure to use a reputable money transfer service, and always check the exchange rates and fees before initiating the transfer. It is also a good idea to inform the recipient of the expected delivery time in the reference number or tracking code, so they can track the status of the transaction. By following these steps and choosing a reliable money transfer service, you can easily send money from Pakistan to South Korea and ensure that your funds reach their destination safely and efficiently.